The social media menu brings together valuable information to help you understand how satisfied your customers are on each channel where they share their opinions. Here you'll find the main metrics by social network, such as CSAT, which measures the level of satisfaction with the experience, NPS, which indicates how likely customers are to recommend the company, and the most mentioned topics by channel. By clicking on the CSAT item, you'll see customer satisfaction for each network where feedback was found, along with an analysis of the results. In the NPS section, you'll see the level of consumer loyalty, also broken down by social network, also with an analysis of the results. In CSAT comparison with competitors, you can view all companies in the project compared side by side, with results grouped by social network. The same applies to NPS comparison with competitors. It shows the NPS for each company, considering the different networks where customers leave comments. Finally, in the main topic section, you'll see the most discussed themes on each social network. This helps you understand consumer behavior on each channel and adjust your communication, product, or service according to each platform's profile. This level of channel-specific detail is one of the key strengths of our tool. It allows you to handle feedback in a personalized way, addressing specific issues within each environment, whether it's Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, or any other channel. Now that you've explored the metrics by social network, it's time to track these same indicators by company and understand how each one is performing within the project. We'll cover that in the next video.